What's up, you guys? I am Breeze. I am a gardener in Zone 9. I have been gardening since COVID. I really enjoy it. The last couple of days, I knew the weather was going to be like it was out here, but I did not on purpose cover my beds up because it didn't really matter to me. I was in a process of changing everything out anyway, so I just let it do what it do. Pretty much, I still had tomatoes in my garden. I still had peppers. I had cabbages and stuff, lemongrass growing, but it was, towards the end of everything anyway. I am going to start some transplants today. And in April, I normally go out and transplant them out. But we'll see this year. The weather has been so iffy. But anyway, today is such a beautiful day right now. A lot of this stuff, hopefully by 12, it will be melted. I don't know, it was supposed to be melted yesterday, but it did. In my backyard doesn't really get too much of the sun. Well, mainly the morning sun, but not the afternoon sun. Hopefully we'll see, and if not, we'll just have to wait till tomorrow. I'm glad that my trees didn't die.